Scarcity, the first way to make your offer more powerful. In this video, I will tell you about the first force, scarcity, that will help you make your unbeatable offer more attractive and more desirable to your potential customers. What is scarcity and why is it needed? Hi, my name is Dmitro. I am from Ukraine and I love internet marketing. I advise you to watch my videos because my English is not good, so I will try to explain complex things to you in simple words, and it will be easier for you to understand it. So let's start. A scarcity is when you increase the demand for your offer and increase its price by reducing the supply. It's like you are telling the customer to buy now because the quantity is limited and they might not have enough. Scarcity is one of the most powerful forces that gives you unlimited pricing power. It is thanks to the scarcity that authorities such as doctors, famous experts and celebrities can charge huge sums of money for their services. Because people think that there is a great demand for these people's time, so they have a very small supply of this time. And as a result, their services should be expensive. When there is a limited supply, limited quantity of goods or services that are available for purchase, this creates scarcity of the fear of missing out. This increases the need to make decisions quickly and as a result buy your offer. You publicly tell people that you only have X number of products or that you can only process Y number of new customers. By doing so, you create a scarcity and force people to buy faster. People have a psychological fear of loss that forces them to make decisions. People are more motivated to take action to obtain a scarce resource rather than taking actions aimed at obtaining something that could really help them. People's fear of loss is stronger than their desire to gain. You need to use this psychological leverage to get people to buy your offer immediately before it is sold out. There are three types of scarcity: a limited supply of seat slots in general or over X period of time, limited supply of bonuses, and never available again. First type, a limited supply of seats or slots. This is when you only sell a certain amount of your products to potential customers. You tell them about this and encourage them to buy faster because your product may simply run out. You can only sell a limited number of your items at all. When they run out, people will not be able to buy them anymore. Or during a certain period of time, that is, people will still be able to buy a certain amount of your product, but already in the next period of time, in the next sales window. How can you use this kind of scarcity to strengthen your offering? After you create your unbeatable offer, you can sell it in some limited quantity, at all or for some X period of time. This can be argued, for example, by the fact that you will give your feedback to each client or provide some personal assistance. Therefore, you sell only a certain number of offers in order to fulfill your obligations in good faith, because you simply don't have enough time for a large number of clients. In this way, you will make your offer more exclusive and will be able to set a higher price for it, because the number is limited and there will not be enough for everyone. Limited supply of bonuses, the second type of scarcity. This is when you apply scarcity not to your main product or service, but to the bonuses that complement this product or service. That is, you tell potential customers that if they do not buy now, then they may simply not have enough bonuses. The fear of losing bonuses will encourage people to buy, because people will want to get 2 or 3 things instead of 1. How to apply this to your offer? When you created your unbeatable offer, you added additional bonuses to increase its value. And here is how you can apply this kind of scarcity to your offer. When you start selling your offer, you can say that only the first X number of customers will receive all your wide number of bonuses as a gift. Everyone who does not have time to get into this X number of customers will receive fewer bonuses, for example not 5 but 3, or will not receive them at all. You can even create some unique bonuses in addition to the main ones that are part of your offer that only the first X number of customers will receive. Never available again. The third type of scarcity. This is when you create some unique product in limited quantities, selling out this amount of unique product, and then that offer becomes unavailable for purchase forever. This encourages people to buy because they will never be able to get this unique product again. How can you use this kind of scarcity? You can periodically create some unique offers for your audience in limited quantities, sell them, and then completely remove this offer from sale and never sell again. This will make your loyal customers wait for your new unique offers and buy them quickly so as not to lose the opportunity to get them forever. A few important points about scarcity. The first important point. When you use the power of scarcity, it's important to be honest. If you said that you only have 5 seats or 5 goods, then only 5 seats or 5 goods should be sold. Otherwise, you will lose people's trust. The second important point. When you sell 5 seats and some of them have already been bought by customers, you need to let other potential customers know about it. First, it will be great social proof that your product or service is in demand by other people, which means it's good. Second, it will help you sell the rest of your seats faster. The third important point. When you have sold out of all the goods or services you have advertised, you must also inform other potential customers about it. This again will be good social proof that your product or service is good, and this will encourage those people who did not have time to buy to be more decisive next time and buy right away. Be sure to use one or more scarcity methods in your business. Your customers will be more likely to make purchase decisions and buy even at higher prices. Just let them know their limits and the psychology will do the work. I hope this video was helpful for you, and in the next video I will tell you about the second force that will make your offer more powerful, about urgency. So I advise you to subscribe to my channel so as not to miss the next video. I am waiting for your likes and comments as a sign of gratitude. I wish you a good day and good mood. Bye bye.